How's it going, Geometry Cats? Today we're looking at 11.4 volumes of prisms and cylinders. So now we're going to find volume. Found the surface area. You can make the box. How much does the box hold? Okay. For volume, we're going to be using cubic measurements. The reason that is because it's cubes. How many cubes can I fit in that box? 1 cubic centimeter is a box that's 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Okay? So that's why we use cubic units. Okay? Your volume of a prism is V equals B times H, where B equals the area of your base. This is actually the surface area. Victory. Okay, that's all there is to it. And then your base times it by the height, ba boom, ba bing, you have how much the box holds. Let's find the volume. What can here maybe or what? Oh, the volume's too low. No, okay. Okay. So first I'm going to find the area of this base. Right here, this base. Well, so my area of my base is a rectangle. So that's length times width, right? My height is 4. So I go base times height equals 60 cubic feet. Okay? That's it. That's all there is to it. Suppose we turn the box. Will the volume change? No, it's the same box. So, no. Okay. Okay. What's the volume of this triangular prism at the right? First, I need to find the area of my base. My base is this triangle. Okay? The base is always a polygon that's not the rectangles. Unless it is a rectangle. My height, my triangle height is 10. Length is 6, right? It's going to be 1/2 10 times 6. Which is 30. That's the area of my triangle. Okay? My height is 5. I do my base times height, and I get 150 cubic meters. Okay? Suppose the height's doubled. How will this affect the prism? It double it. Okay? Yeah. Sorry, Tigers are winning 6-1. Let's find the volume of a cylinder. For a cylinder, you use V equals still the area of our base, but now we have an area formula, right? Our area formula is pi r squared. So it's pi r squared height. Okay? All I need is the radius and the height, volume. How much Pepsi's in that can? Let's try them. Okay, for this beast, our height is 3. Our radius is 1/2 of 2, which is 1, because it's half the diameter. Okay, my stability ball. So let's plug in our formula. It's pi, our r squared, right, times height, which is 3. Okay? 3 times 1 squared is 3, so 3 pi meters squared cubed. Okay? Suppose the radius is halved. How does this affect the volume of the cylinder? It's cut in half. That's actually it for this stuff, guys. I actually really like this. I think it's pretty quick, easy. Is there one more? Yeah, there's one more. Someone forgot the lunchbox. Well, let's find out how much stuff this lunchbox holds. Okay. First, the bottom. Okay. Teach you guys a shortcut for the bottom. Length times width times height. Okay. My bottom is 10 times 6 times 6, which is 360 cubic inches. Okay. Now for the top. The top is half the cylinder, so it's going to be half our formula, okay? 1/2 pi times our radius squared times our height, which is 10 because it's the distance across, right? So that's 90, that's 45 pi inches cubed. Okay? So I add these together and plug it in my calculator. Beep, boop, 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 boop. Well, actually, no, I have to do this. And I get 501 inches cubed. That's a lot of lunch. Okay, guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed.